probably wondering where we are. Well, turns out we're in New Smyrna Beach. We just picked up something special for the 250. We got custom window pods from Brian Finney at Ace Customs. He got them done right before my birthday. I greatly appreciate it. And I'm gonna get them done and get them in the truck today and head back home and see how they do. So here we are at Dollar General. I guess it seems to be my home as right now, but I would rate these 1 out of 10 and 9.8. One thing I wish bro would have did. Just painted the back black, something kind of how he did the inside. Just paint the back. But other than that, bro, it's flawless. So what I'm gonna do is improvise. We are going to paint it ourselves before we get them installed today, because somebody forgot to, or didn't, or just doesn't. The world may never know. We don't know. But what I do know how is to paint. So we're gonna paint a whole bunch of paint. Okay, so we just finished painting the window pods. They look way better than they did before. Got about an hour drive to my next stop, but once we get there, we'll get to see what happens then.
Stop leaking, nigga. Let's try to come through, but I heard it. Bop. Yeah. Damn. Whatever you do, gotta know how to move. Can't take you a win if you never gonna lose. I got in my feelings supporter, but do.
Wyatt, what we got going on here, man? Power Stroke Airlines. Cole's nasty 6'7" right there. Got window pods getting done right now. Got everything here. Getting them mounted and stuff. Next we'll get the amps run, but that's what they're looking like as of right now. Yes, sir.
Seven in the morning jug. I ain't ate a babe, I'm jugging. Motivate the world to jug. Before I wash my face, I'm jugging. Baby, all I know is jug. I know you need.
So, we back at it today. It's my birthday. Big 20 in this thing. Glad we made it. Blessed to see another year. Gonna be who I am now, y'all, so remember that. But we gonna let y'all hear what these sound like. They're all done and nice, sounding up there, rocking and sounding good. We're gonna let y'all hear what they sound like.
I just check my watch, she's a 448. I just met my brother, I've been selling paper plane. G-Shock, bust it down, out of one plane. 2 tens booming in the back of the range. Trying to quit the drawers like I'm going insane. Everyone's a sinner, that's why we need to pray. Too fast, he gon' die if he tryna play. All we really know, come on, give me that, yeah, Taking money, all we really know, come on, okay. We want to know that he don't give it up. Drake got 100 drum and all the doobie pill truck. Did it say she like vanilla? Come and lick it up. Fine chocolate shit, I stuff her up just like a Reese cup. Ain't no time wasted, bitch, I'm in a child place. I just saw my watch since they 448. I just met my brother, been selling paper plane. G-Shock, bust it down, on the one plane. 2 tens, booming in the back of the range. Trying to quit the drawer.
That's probably going to be the end of this video. I think it turned out great. We'll probably be making some more if y'all like it. Fuck it, subscribe, like it up. Let me know if I should make some more. About to throw a lift kit on it much more, but stay tuned until next time.